bag. I'm weak.
You're not weak. You just lack upper body strength, lower body strength, and mental strength.
Slap me. Harder.
Ow!
Softer. Okay, maybe somewhere in between. That was exactly right.
Come on, you can win this by the power of button mashing!
You win.
Dude, what's the point in learning all these combos if all you need is button mashing?
Who cares? Top score!
Oh, man. It's only 3 letters in the top score. What do I go with? Gum or ball?
Maybe go with the least dumb sounding.
You're right. Let's go with ball.
No, wait. Why don't you use your real name instead of your nickname?
Great idea. Wait, what is it?
What do you mean, what is it? What kind of guy doesn't know his own name?
You're gonna know it either, do you? Then this shall